Hi, this is a video to help you understand how to complete Lesson 5. So let's imagine that I have already watched this first video and I click forward. Then I watch how we complete chart number 7-1, the first one on 7. Then I look at number 2, more quarters and eighths. And then I look at number 3, more eighths and quarters. And number 4, number 5, and play all the way through number 6, practicing all of those. Then we go back and we look through the patterns of lines 1 through 5, and then there's a quiz. The quiz is where you might need some help with how to finish this. There are some questions, and you can listen to the instructions.
We are going to treat question number 1 as the instructions for this quiz. You are going to find the eighth notes in each of these patterns, and you're going to identify if the eighth notes happen in beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, or beat 4. So you're just going to have to find the eighth notes and then tell me which beat it's on. For this question, which is not a real question, just check either one of the answers, beat 1 or beat 1. It doesn't matter which one, they're both correct, and then we will move on.
So I'm going to click that. This is just to move on to the next question. That one really doesn't matter. So we want to know where the eighth notes happen in this music right here. Okay, so I'm going to open that music. That's pattern number 1. So I'm looking at this one, and I can see right here the eighth notes are the ones with the beam across the top. They happen on 1 and 2. In each measure, they happen on 1 and 2. You also have these words, eighth notes on beats 1 and 2. So we know what that is. We go back into here, 1 and 2. 1 and 1, there it is, 1 and 2. So I give that answer. And then I go ahead and click next. And then we're looking at the next pattern, where the eighth notes, where the eighth notes, where the fast notes. So I'm looking right here, and I see, never mind these words, that should actually say 3 and 4. But right here we have 3 and 4 is where the blue eighth notes are. 3 and 4. Okay, so 3 and 4, 3 and 4. It's not 1 and 2. There's 3 and 4. Click 3 and 4. Click next, go to the next one. Where are the eighth notes in the next pattern? Where are the eighth notes in this pattern? Okay, so I'm looking right here. Here are the eighth note, solid with a stem and a beam across the top. They happen on 1, not here, and they happen on 3, 1 and 3. It happens on 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So I go, oh, there's 1 and 3. Go to the next one. All right, let's look at the next pattern. Okay, so here the eighth notes happen in this line on 2 and on 4. They do not happen on 1. They happen on 2 and 4. Go back to the Nearpod. 2 and 4. There's 2 and 4. And click submit. And then you actually finish the whole lesson like that. It will tell you what you got correct. I guess I should have clicked both of those beat 1, whatever, at the very beginning, although they don't matter. It's still complete. There you go.